The Supcase UB Mag XT for Galaxy S25 Ultra blends ruggedness with versatility. Its built-in iron plate ensures magnetic precision without compromising S Pen functionality, perfect for productivity users. With N52 magnet support, it provides up to 2,500 grams of force, ensuring seamless compatibility with MagSafe accessories from mounts to chargers. Durability is exceptional. Military-grade protection, four-corner airbags for shock absorption, and drop testing from 20 feet provide robust defense against accidents. The zinc alloy camera cover protects lenses while functioning as an adjustable kickstand. Elevated bezels, 1.8 millimeter screen clearance, and a lens cover safeguard vulnerable areas from damaging surfaces. Designed specifically for the S25 Ultra 5G 2025, this case prioritizes function over premium materials. While not as stylish as leather or fabric options, it stands out with practical features and reliable protection. For users prioritizing protection and versatility, the UBM-AGXT delivers with its unique combination of iron plate technology, camera cover yard kickstand, and comprehensive protection. Though not the most elegant case available, it excels in durability and functionality for everyday use.